Hi everyone and welcome to week 8. This week I've posted 2 items for you in week 8 media. One is a chapter on interacting with source material, and then I've included the They Say, I Say template page again so that you can be reminded to use those when you're interacting with source material, which will be increasingly important this semester. We're going to work on a small group workshop of rhetorical analyses. So you can find sample papers here, the explanation, as well as your group's paper that you'll work in to notice what's working and what the writer might do for revision. This should get you some ideas about what you might want to be focusing your analysis on, which is good because your draft of your analysis is due on Sunday. So that's just a rough draft where you're submitting just kind of your initial ideas. I'd like to see, 2 pages of text, even if that looks a little bit more like an outline or just ideas on the page, but forcing you to put things on the page is what's going to help you get it done. I look forward to talking with all of you in class tomorrow. Take care and bring any questions about rhetorical analysis with you.